All right, the topic for today is the structure and layers of the Earth. So we have two ways that we can define our Earth layers. The first way is by its composition, or what it's made out of. So the core at the bottom there is mostly and consistently made out of iron and nickel. Iron being the predominant thing that the core is made out of. And the core itself is about 3,400 kilometers, 3,400 kilometers. And then we move up to our mantle there. The mantle, biggest part, it makes up over 1/3, 1/2 of the entire Earth as far as its size. The mantle is the biggest portion. So the mantle is about 3,500 or so kilometers thick. It's pretty wide and substantial, and it's mostly made of silicates. The crust itself is the smallest and thinnest part. It would be similar to like a hard-boiled egg, and the eggshell being the crust, a very thin, small layer. That being said, it's still a couple miles, 3 to 5 miles in some areas if in the deep ocean, or as thick if you're in the Himalayas. It can be as thick as 100 kilometers or about 25 to 30 miles. So, that all being said, that's how we define our Earth layers, by its composition or what it's made out of. Another way we can define our Earth layers is by the physical properties that it has. So for instance, the inner core. The inner core is a rigid solid of iron and nickel, whereas the outer core is liquid. The outer core is a liquid iron and nickel solution. Then we move on to the lower mantle we call the mesosphere. The mesosphere is the biggest portion of the mantle, and it's solid, rigid mantle. Then there's a small layer towards the top of our mantle we call the asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is what drives our plate tectonic movement. The asthenosphere is a liquid. And so as that asthenosphere goes through convection currents, it moves our plates and it gives us our plate tectonics and then all those other things that go along with it. So we have our inner core, outer core, mesosphere, our asthenosphere, and the very top layer is our lithosphere. Our lithosphere is solid, sturdy rock, and it makes up the bottom half of our crust and the very top part of our mantle. So that's something that kind of gets lost, is that the lithosphere is just how it is physically. So the lithosphere is solid rock, solid rigid crust. So that would be the very top of our mantle and the entire crust. So lithosphere, asthenosphere, mesosphere for lower mantle, outer core, and inner core. And those are the three major ways we divide our Earth and our layers, by what it's made out of, composition chemically, and then how it behaves physically. So is it solid or liquid? If you have any further questions, make sure you come in and ask, but that would be pretty much the basics of our Earth and our layers.